Let us discuss some problems on the triple integral. Evaluate I equal to integral 0 to 1, integral 1 to 2, integral 2 to 3, x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. This is z limits, it is y limits, it is x limits. The integral variable order is in that only. Okay, here the solution is integral x equal to 0 to 1, integral y equal to 1 to 2, integral z equal to 2 to 3, x, y, z, dx, dy, dz equal to integral x equal to 0 to 1, integral y equal to 1 to 2. Here we can integrate with respect to z. That is z integration is z square by 2, limits from 2 to 3, x, y, dx, dy. It is equal to integral x equal to 0 to 1, integral y equal to 1 to 2. Z square means 3 square, 9 by 2, 2 square is 4 by 2 into x, y, dx, dy. It is equal to, it is 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 by 2 is a constant right outside. Integral x equal to 0 to 1. Integral y equal to 1 to 2. X, y, dx, dy. Now we can integrate with respect to y. That is, y integration is y square by 2. That is 5 by 2. Integral x equal to 0 to 1. Y square by 2, limits from 1 to 2, x dx. It is equal to 5 by 2, integral x equal to 0 to 1. 2 square means 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 square is 1, x dx. It is equal to 5 by 2. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. Integral x equal to 0 to 1, x dx. X integration is x square by 2. 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. X integration is x square by 2, limits from 0 to 1. It is equal to 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. Here 1 square means 1, 1 by 2 minus 0. This is equal to 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. 15 by 8 is the answer. Next problem, evaluate the triple integral 1 minus 1 to 1, integral 0 to z, integral x minus z to x plus z of x plus y plus z of dx, dy, dz. Here we can observe the given integral limits. Xz expression means y variable in xz expression. Then here z expression means x is in z expression. Then the last real values are z. Just you observe it. Xz means what is the another variable? Y variable. So y variable can expressed in x plus z or x minus z. Then the function y is converted into xz. Next that xz is converted into z means the x variable right in z. Then z variable in the limits. That we can identify what are the limits of the variables, how we can change the variables. Okay, here integral minus 1 to 1, integral 0 to z, integral x minus z to x plus z of x plus y plus z into dx, dy, dz. Here xz is means this is a y variable. It is z means x is convert into z. This is the z variable. Now here x plus y plus z means we are differentiating first with respect to y variable. Then x and z both are treating as a constant. This is equal to integral z equal to minus 1 to 1, x equal to 0 to z, x plus z into y plus y square by 2. Y integration is y square by 2. X plus z is a treating as a constant. X plus z into 1 dz, 1 dy. That is nothing but we are differentiating. This is it, separate, and these are separate. This y means y square by 2, x plus z is treating as a constant. 1 d y is equal to y. The limits of this is x minus z to x plus z, y square by 2 limits x minus z to x plus z into dx dz. If we are getting the confusion, then just we can write it as z equal to minus 1 to 1, x equal to 0 to z, x plus z into dx dz dy integral y equal to x minus z to x plus z plus y dx dy dz. That way we can write it as, or simply we can write x plus z plus y into dx dy dz. That is nothing but it is 1 into dy is y into dy is y square by 2. That is equal to integral x z equal to minus 1 to 1, x equal to 0 to z, x plus z into y, limits from x minus z to x plus z. Y integration is y square by 2, limits from x minus z to x plus z whole dx dz. Okay. Next, apply the limits. Integral z equal to minus 1 to 1, integral x equal to 0 to z, x plus z into upper limit x plus z minus lower limit minus x minus into minus plus z plus x plus z whole square, that is x square plus z square plus 2xz minus a minus b whole square, a square minus into minus plus 2xz minus z square whole dx dz. Minus z square minus x square plus z square plus x square cancel, 2xy plus 2xy 4xy minus x plus x cancel, z plus z 2z. This is equal to integral z equal to minus 1 to 1, x equal to 0 to z, 2zx plus 2z square plus 4xz into dx dz. It is equal to integral z equal to minus 1 to 1, x equal to 0 to z, 4xz, 2xz, that is 6xz plus 2z square into dx dz. Now we are integrate with respect to x. Integral z equal to minus 1 to 1. 6z is a constant, x integration is x square by 2, limits from 0 to z, plus 2z square is a constant, 1 integration of dx is x, limits from 0 to z, whole dz. 2 1s are 2 3s are, it is equal to integral z equal to minus 1 to 1, 3z into z square minus 0 plus 2z square into z minus 0 whole dz. It is equal to integral z equal to minus 1 to 1, 3z cube plus 2z cube into dz. 3 plus 2 is 5, integral z equal to minus 1 to 1, z cube dz. It equal to 5 into z to the power of 4 by 4 minus 1 to 1 equal to 5 by 4 into 1 power 4 is 1 by 4 minus 1 whole power 4 is 1 by 4. This is equal to 0. Next problem, evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral y to 1 integral 0 to 1 minus x dz dx dy. Here y to 1 means this is y limits. Okay. This is z limits. Z equal to 0 to 1 minus x. 1 minus x. X limits not. This is z limit. Here, that is the simplification of it's 1 minus x is there, na? Okay, 1 minus x means this function is in y. The limit is y means y is equal to 0 to 1. It's clear. Okay. Then it is the z is equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Z is converted to x. Next, x is converted to y to 1. Y is converted to 0 to 1. That is the condition here. We can take the given integral integral 0 to 1, integral y to 1, integral 0 to 1 minus x dz dy dz dx dy. Here the second variable y means it's y equal to 0 to 1. And the third integration in x means x is convert into here x equal to y to 1, here z equal to 0 to 1 minus x. Now integral y equal to 0 to 1, x equal to y to 1. Then here z means integration of dz is z limits from 0 to 1 minus x dx dy. It is equal to y equal to 0 to 1, x equal to 1 to 1. Upper limit 1 minus x minus 0 is 1 minus x dx dy. It is equal to y equal to 0 to 1. X into x, it is x square, x minus x square. Integral x equal to y to 1, x minus x square into dx to dy. Now integrate. X integration is y equal to 0 to 1. X integration is x square by 2. X square integration is x cube by 3. Limits from y to 1 dy. Integral y equal to 0 to 1. 1 square by 2 minus 1 cube by 3 minus y square by 2 minus y cube by 3 whole dy. Taking the LCM, it is equal to integral y equal to 0 to 1, 3 minus 2, 1 by 6 minus y square by 2 minus y cube by 3 into dy equal to 1 by 6y minus y cube by 2 3s are 6 minus y to the power of 4 by 3 4s are 12. Limits from 0 to 1 equal to 1 by 6, 1 minus 0 minus 1 by 6, 1 cube minus 0 minus 1 by 12, 1 minus 0. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12. These two are get cancelled. Minus 1 by 12 is the answer. Upper limit. This is lower limit. It's minus into minus plus. Here minus into minus plus plus. Here plus, here plus. Upper limit minus lower limit. Now simplify it. We are getting the plus 1 by 2. This is the answer.